Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you 4 cool techniques for the tests, and this techniques will make the exam a lot easier for you. Whenever you see a circle, write down cards: circumference, area, radius, diameter. These are 4 properties of every circle, and they're all related. Okay, and you absolutely must know the formulas for this. Circumference is 2 pi r or pi d. Area is pi r square, radius is r, and diameter is 2r. And I see students mix up circumference and area sometime. I see students mix up radius and diameters. If you put it in a card chart, you're not going to make that silly mistake. What will happen is, you basically need to know one of them. If you know one of them, you can find the other 3. They're like a gang or a quartet. Also, whenever things change, it doesn't even have to be a circle. In many other questions, geometric questions, or even different types of word problems, you can make a before after chart. Okay, so make a before after chart like this. After. Okay, and you can fill up the chart, then you'll stay more organized. I'm actually going to change this question a little bit. I'm going to change this circumference to area, and we'll throw these answers out. Okay, now what do we know? We only know that the radius went up 50%. Okay, so they didn't give us any number. When they don't give you any number, don't plug in XYZ like your math teachers taught you. Okay, it's good to know methodical ways for regular math classes, but for tests, you need to know, especially multiple choice tests, you need to know that you can plug in 100 and do things way faster. Okay, so here, let's say the radius was 100. It went up 50%. So you can do this in your head. You can immediately tell it's 150. Okay, the area would be pi times 100 square. And here, the area would be pi times 150 square. Okay, so what happened? Basically, 10,000 pi, 100 square is 10,000, changed to 22500 pi. Okay, so when percent change happens, you need to use this formula. I call it the COP method, C-O-P. Okay, change over original times 100%. Okay, so you can plug it in now. The change was what? Subtracted 12500 pi. And subtract it, you get that. So you put 12500 pi divided by the original was 10,000 pi times 100%. And start canceling now. That turns out to be 125%. Okay. So I showed you 4 techniques here. The first one is card for circles. Then the second one is before after chart. Whenever in word problems, when things change, you can make a before after chart to make it much more organized. The third technique was 100. 100 is the most important technique for the test. You can do things so much faster with 100. And the fourth technique is the COP method, C-O-P, change over original times 100%. Okay, hope you can use this for many different questions.